How to view archived chats on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can view the archived chats on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger application on your device. Now once you are in, all you have to do is tap on this menu icon right here at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Here you will see three options like Marketplace, Message Request, and Archive. Now simply tap on Archive to view the archived messages. Now here you can see all of the archived messages. Now in order to unarchive this, you can just choose one from here and slide left like this, and you can see on archive option right here. Just tap on archive and your message will be unarchived, and that's it. This is how you can view archive messages and you can edit it from here. Super simple, right? Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.